What's up, guys? Are you looking for something to close up this awkward little space here on your Pro XP? Well, SuperATV's got you covered with our lower door inserts, and today we're going to show you how to get them installed. So let's get right to it. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open your door, and then we're going to be removing the following T40 Torx. Before we can remove our door skin, we're going to have to come down right here and remove the two T25 screws. Then we're going to grab a hold of our door skin, close our door, and go ahead and remove the door skin. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab our insert for whichever side you're working on. We're working on the driver's side. And we're just going to go ahead and line it up. Take our C-clamp, get it slid in position here, and we just want to clamp it down. So once we got it good and clamped on that side, we'll just come over here to the opposite side, do the same exact thing. And you can do, a couple little final adjustments here before you drill it. Just kind of get it worked around exactly how you want it. And then for the next step, you can do it one of two ways. You get a paint marker and just stick it through the hole and then just twist it around. You can just continue to do that for the rest of the holes. Remove your C-clamps, remove your panel, drill your holes, and then reinstall it. Or the faster way, go ahead, take your drill, get it exactly where you want it, make sure all your holes are nice and lined up, and then you just drill right through your hole there. So you just continue doing that. And what I like to do as I go, if I'm drilling it, just go ahead and get my hardware installed. You don't have to fully tighten it yet. I kind of advise against it, but at least you'll have that in there. So if it starts to walk or whatever, at least your hardware's in the hole. We got everything drilled, and we just go ahead and remove our clamps. Just go through here and just start lining up your hardware. As we go, we're just gonna put a nut on them. Let's continue working our way around through each of the holes. And you wanna make sure all your hardware goes from the outside in, so that all of your threads are going to be in the inner portion of the door panel that's not going to be seen. That way your nuts and everything are nice and tucked up in there, and all you're going to see is a black screw head. So the next step is going to be to go ahead and fully tighten your hardware. And this is a 4mm Allen you'll be using, then a 10mm socket. Tighten it. You don't need to super tighten these, you just tighten them up to where they're not going to back off. So there you go. So now our door insert is installed to our door skin. Now all we're going to do is reinstall this door. For the opposite side, it's the same exact way, so you just want to repeat all these steps. So now we're just going to grab our door skin. I like to get the door lined up, then I like to find the easiest holes to get my screws in. So this one up here, it's really easy to get a screw in. Just kind of work it around until you can catch a good thread, and then just run it in by hand tighten it. That way it kind of helps you hold the door. So now the door is going to stay in place. What we're going to do is go ahead and reinstall all of our T40s. So just kind of work your way around. And we're just going to go through and fully tighten all the T40s. Then we'll just reinstall our little clamp with the two T25s. So just repeat all these same steps for the opposite side. Go through, make sure all your hardware is fully tightened, and that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's lower door insert on this Polaris RZR Pro XP. For more information on this lower door insert or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call or check us out online. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.